Hey everyone, in this video I'll give a brief walkthrough of the new implementation for tariff rate and battery changes based on the Genability Switch API integration. We'll start by creating a new lead. On selecting Genability, the pre-solar tariff rate is populated. For this location, the pre-solar utility provider is Pacific Gas and Electric Company, and the most commonly used tariff rate is E-Residential. However, users still have the option to select from the list of tariffs offered by PG and E. By clicking View, you can see the complete tariff rate details. The utility provider is Pacific Gas and Electric. The tariff rate is Residential 1. The charge period is daily. This tariff does not have time of use rates but does have tiered rates. It is also a solar-eligible tariff. In the next tab, you'll find all the consumption-based charges, categorized under options like public purpose program charges, smart, non, high price period, etc. Expanding these categories displays the tariff names and rates within each. The Prior tab lists the types of charges applied under this tariff. Fixed price, $10 per day. Consumption-based charges. Minimum charge, 39 cents per day, applied regardless of usage. There is no California climate rate under this tariff. We restrict users from selecting a post-solar tariff immediately, as a default tariff is assigned once the user enters their consumption details. Adding the consumption profile. Let's add the user's monthly energy usage. For this example, we'll select up to 12 months of energy usage, starting with 1,500 units for January. Based on 1 month's usage, the system automatically calculates the remaining 11 months using an intelligent baseline. In the next tab, you can view the estimated bill value and the profile used to calculate the 12 months of usage. The seasonal breakdown, spring, summer, autumn, winter, is displayed, along with weekday and weekend patterns. Post-solar rate selection. After entering consumption, the post-solar rate is automatically selected, but users can choose a different rate if needed. Here I'll select the NEM3 rate, which has TOU charges. The TOU schedule is displayed, showing peak rates 4 p.m. to 9 p.m., partial peak and off-peak rates, shown with color-coded time blocks. Default battery configuration. Using the TOU schedule, we've created a default battery configuration. For self-consumption bill savings. During on-peak rates, the system discharges to the load with a preference for battery usage. During off-peak and partial peak rates, the system prefers energy from the grid and discharges accordingly. For example, in the off-peak period, the usage is approximately 7.67 kilowatt-hours. Based on this, we suggest sizing the battery to offset this usage, such as a 10 kilowatt-hour battery, and calculate additional savings. Generating the proposal. After entering the battery size and price, the system generates the proposal. This will be the new battery-only proposal. Thanks for watching.